Basant creatively adapted by painting with a brush attached to his forearm. His artwork, which reflects Chhattisgarhi folk themes, has been showcased not only in India at prestigious venues including the Rashtrapati Bhavan, but also internationally in the US, England, and Australia. Through his foundation, Basant continues to empower disabled individuals and support local artists. Can we have the film for Basant Sahu? This impact that he has had.
हेलो, नमस्ते। हाँ, बसंत बोल रहे हैं। आपको बधाई हेलन केलर अवार्ड के लिए। बहुत बहुत बधाई। आप ऐसे चित्रकारी करते रहिए आगे।
आप सभी को धन्यवाद देता हूँ। हेलन केलर अवार्ड उन हर हौसलों का सम्मान है जो सपने देखने और उन्हें सच करने की देते हैं। बसंत फाउंडेशन आरंभ करने के प्रारंभ से ही यही सोच और प्रयास है कि दिव्यांग वर्ग को समाज में बराबरी से खड़ा होने में मददगार हो पाए, उनकी रुचियों के अनुसार वे आगे बढ़े। आज हम प्रशिक्षण के माध्यम से अपना ले जा रहे हैं, जहां हजारों विकेट स्थापित कर मेरी पेंटिंग की नुमाइश देश विदेश में होते आ रही है। मेरी आर्ट प्रदर्शनी प्रमाण है कि दिव्यांग समाज स्वाभिमान के साथ खड़ा है। 3 दशकों के इस सफर में मेरा परिवार, माँ और आप जैसे दिग्गजों की सोच ने भी बड़ा साथ दिया और कैनवास से हुई दोस्ती ने मेरे बिखर चुके रंगों को समेटा और जीने की मेरी इच्छा को और कर दिखाया। मैं एक मध्यम वर्गीय किसान परिवार से आता हूँ, जहाँ सपनों से पहले परिवार की जरूरतें आती, पर सपने देखना और उनको साकार करना हर किसी का अधिकार है और दिव्यांगों धन न देकर हम उन्हें से वंचित रखते हैं। बसंत फाउंडेशन की यही सोच है कि उड़ान हौसले से होती है, पंख तो केवल एक जरिया है। क्षमता और संभावना कभी भी परिस्थितियों की मोहताज नहीं होती।
Let's hear it for Basant Sahu. The next recipient, Dileep D. Chauhan from Vadodara, currently serving as the Vice Principal of Kendriya Vidyalaya in Vadodara. Dileep Chauhan has made significant strides in promoting accessible education. His advocacy was recognized by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Mann Ki Baat 2015. A staunch advocate for equal opportunities, Dileep has been instrumental in implementing accommodations for students and staff with disabilities, contributing to an inclusive educational environment. Dileep Chauhan.
This is Dileep Chauhan. First of all, I would like to thank NCPAD giving me the Helen Keller Award. I have been working in Kendriya Vidyalaya since 15 years, and last 5 years I have been working as a vice principal. As a vice principal, promote equal opportunity and provide reasonable accommodation to the differently able employees. I have provided various digital gadgets to my differently able students. I have got various accessible materials for the intellectually disabled children. We have got games, equipments. We have ramps in our school, really handicapped children, and which has also created one group for visually handicapped teachers in Kendriya Vidyalaya, and we are providing assistance to them wherever they are facing any negligence or. And as the Helen Keller has said that alone we cannot, together we can achieve a lot of things. So thanks once again to the NCPD.
Gujarat. Dr. Nishtha Thakur, with over 21 years of experience in administration and HR, serves as the executive for the Equal Opportunity Cell at the Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad. She founded the Spreading Smile Charitable Trust to support individuals with special needs in remote areas of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Her initiatives include establishing self-help groups and skill training centers, significantly impacting the lives of women with disabilities. Dr. Nishtha Thakur, can we have the film?
Namaskar, I am Nishtha Thakur, professionally working with IIM Ahmedabad and handling NGO Spreading Smile Charitable Trust, which work across India under 5 projects, especially in Kashmir and Ladakh with Indian Army. 11 साल की उम्र में I have been diagnosed with rare progressive genetic disorder. After that, the life was very tough and full of struggle. But I am happy to share that with my dedication and going beyond limits, I converted all this opportunity. That's why I want to reach to the extreme parts of Kashmir and Ladakh to give a dignified life to the person with disabilities staying over there with so many and number of first इसके Spreading Trust conduct camps for muscular dystrophy awareness and youth with disabilities across India. Getting Helen Keller Award is a very prestigious and proud moment for me. I am very thankful and very happy.
Please welcome Dr. Nishtha Thakur. More power to you. Wonderful. Resham Talwar, a voice artist, a singer, and advocate for inclusion within the creative industry. Resham Talwar has utilized her talents to challenge and reshape perceptions about disability. She has excelled in the voiceover industry and radio jockeying, contributing to numerous campaigns that promote diversity and inclusion. Can we have Resham Talwar's film?
Hi, this is Resham Talwar. I'm a professional singer and a voice actor working in media and entertainment industry. My job is to provide voiceover for various platforms in categories. I have done projects for brands like Lavely Foundation, Saksham NGO, Ministry of Social Justice and Welfare, Tata Tea, Vega Beauty, and many more. Through my videos and blogs, I promote inclusivity in media and entertainment industry, and it has impacted a lot of my clients and the agencies with whom I work. Now they are well versed about the assistive technology, and they are considering persons with disabilities to enter and work in media and industry. I'm so much elated to receive this prestigious Helen Keller Award. Thank you so much to all the jury members, committee members, and let's have some Nobita and Shinchan in the house. इस अवार्ड के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। हाँ, ये तो मैं डोरेमोन के साथ भी शेयर करूँगा। Thank you so much.
And now we request Resham to stay back और अपने अंदाज में please give an acceptance speech for everyone in this category. Who better than a voiceover artist to do that, right?
Thank you so much. Hello everyone. I'm truly honored and so excited to receive this prestigious 25th edition of NCPDP Helen Keller Award, and I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude as I accept this award on behalf of Nishtha Thakur, Dilip Chauhan, Vasant Sahu, and I'm so much grateful to team NCPDP and respected jury members, our honorable chief guests, and all the team for choosing us for this award. Because this award holds a very special place in our hearts, because it defines the spirit of inclusivity and diversity which we are doing, accessibility, and thank you so much for this award. I would like to thank God, my parents, my mom is here in the audience, my mentors, my friends, for always trusting in me. Yes, for always trusting in me, supporting in me, and I would like to congratulate all the fellow awardees, and we will be continue empowering the world with our hope and resilience. Thank you so much. And in the end, like you saw, अगर डोरेमोन नोबिता जो है डोरेमोन का वो अगर अवार्ड लेते सबको कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट करेगा तो कैसे करेगा? He would be like कि आप सबको मेरी तरफ से बहुत बहुत कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस। मैं तो मार्क्स में 0 लाता हूँ, पर मैं आपके लिए बहुत खुश हूँ। Thank you.
That was really wonderful. We move ahead. That is role model supporter of increased employment opportunities for persons with disabilities. Individuals from within the disability sector or outside who have contributed substantially to the cause of promoting employment opportunities for people with disabilities over an extended period. The first recipient, Ajay Govind. Ajay Govind is an award-winning writer, director and co-founder of Words, Rhythms, Images. Ajay Govind has utilized digital storytelling to promote societal change. His workshops and collaborations across India and even internationally have empowered people to share their stories, influencing perceptions and inclusion for persons with disabilities. Can we have Ajay Govind's film, please?
Hi, my name is Ajay Govind agency Words, Rhythms, Images, which turned 16 this year. In these past few years, through our project Digital Storytellers for Social Change, we've been working with organizations, communities, and people and passing the camera on to them and enabling them to tell their own stories. We've taken this project to more than 13 cities and work with over 20 organizations that work with people with disabilities. One of the challenges that we faced during the course of this project was to make people aware that they are storytellers already and that the world is interested in knowing their story. But this challenge quickly turned into a point of impact because by the end of the workshops, we had participants who were really encouraged and inspired to tell their own stories. A lot of the participants discovered new career avenues like script writing, graphic design, storyboarding through the course of these workshops. And we were very, very thrilled to see that kind of enthusiasm for storytelling. Receiving the Helen Keller Award for 2024 in NCPDP's 25th year is a huge honor for us. And on behalf of the Words, Rhythms, Images team, I'd like to thank the organization for endorsing our journey and for encouraging us in our belief that we can in fact change the world one story at a time.
Let's hear it for Ajay Govind and for his remarkable organization, Words, Rhythms, Images. Lovely name. The next recipient, Amisha Prabhu, as the CEO and co-founder of the Trust for Retailers and Retail Associates of India, or TRAIN with a double R. Amisha Prabhu has transformed the retail landscape for persons with disabilities. Her leadership has facilitated the PUNK and Train Her Ascent programs by training 10,000 individuals and creating over 6,200 livelihood opportunities in the year 2023-24 alone, demonstrating a profound commitment to diversity and empowerment. Can we have Amisha Prabhu's film, please?
Namaskar. Thank you NCPEDP for conferring this honor on me and my team at TRAIN. Being recognized by you all is very humbling. The awards and recognition serve as an inspiration for us to do much better in the future. At TRAIN, we have been training persons with disability and created livelihood for more than 30,000 people till date. And this award only symbolizes and holds us further to take this endeavor up and reach a 1 million goal in the next few years' time. We believe that such awards open doors for not only us, but many others who work in this area and field to include more persons with disability in mainstream offices, commercial manufacturing units, and wherever anybody who can see the ability in their disability will take. Thank you once again for this honor. This really very humbling for me and my team. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, Amisha Prabhu. Ashish Verma has pushed for implementing inclusive hiring practices and supportive workplace policies. His efforts include the establishment of virtual working models designed for persons with disabilities, significantly enhancing employment opportunities within one of the world's leading e-commerce giants. Let's have Ashish Verma's film.
Hello, I'm Ashish Verma from Amazon India. Our company's mission is to be Earth's most customer-centric organization, and a key part of that is building inclusive workforce that empowers people with disability. In my role as an HR business partner, I've led the virtual work model for frontline roles, conducted a data analysis to demonstrate a business case for hiring PWDs, and established robust onboarding and support programs. As a result of this, we were able to hire 220 PWD employees over the last 2 years, specifically from Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. This has not only helped us in providing them stable and meaningful jobs, but the benefits extend just beyond hiring. We have seen PWD employees performing at par with their peers and showing better retention rates. Thereby, this has helped in challenging stereotypes and fostering an inclusive culture across the organization. I am truly honored to receive the 25th NCPDP Helen Keller Award. It's a true testament to my hard work and my team's hard work, and would motivate me to push boundaries and set new standards for disability inclusion.
Ashish Verma.
This is such an august gathering, and I had a speech prepared, but I don't think I can speak about what I just heard from so many people. I think that does not even get captured in the speech, but I stand here today deeply humbled and filled with gratitude to receive the 25th NCPDP Helen Keller Award. This recognition is not just an honor, it's a celebration of countless stories of courage, hope and transformation that have defined my and my team's journey at Train. And I feel absolutely honored to have empowered several people in several states and centers across India in the last 10 years. At Train, we hold an unshakable belief that true inclusion begins with creating equal opportunities. Over the years, we've had the privilege to touch the lives of more than 32,000 persons with disability through our PUNK program. But behind every number, there is a person, a dream, and an incredible story of resilience, which is something that we discussed in the morning also. As I accept this award, I'd like to express my sincere gratitude to NCPEDP and the jury and the honorary guest out here on behalf of Ashish Verma and Ajay Govind. I also warmly congratulate all my fellow awardees. This award is a powerful reminder of the work that still lies ahead. Together with our industry, partners, leaders, and the entire community, we will continue to power on for a world where everyone, regardless of their ability, has the opportunity to thrive. We believe our work has just started and we have a long way to go. Thank you so much for this incredible honor and for championing the cause of inclusion. Special thanks to Arman Ali sir for actually this recognition which fuels our determination to keep pushing boundaries, creating change, and building a world that celebrates everybody's unique potential. Thank you so much.
So the next category, which is category C, role model companies, NGOs, institutions or organizations from the disability sector or outside who have shown their commitment towards promoting equal employment opportunities and active hiring for people with abilities. May I request Ms. Sheetal, who is a jury member, to please join us on stage. And may I request the General Chavizo to occupy his seat in the auditorium. Thank you very much, sir. Empowered 100 visually challenged girls with jobs and 1,000 individuals with employment through their training centers, hence enabling them to achieve financial independence and dignified lives through comprehensive education and employment programs. May we have the NFBM film, please.
I am very much delighted as a General Secretary of National Federation of the Blind Maharashtra. After hearing the news that our NGO is decided for the award by National Center for the Promotion of Employment of Disabled Persons, it's really a great honor, and I should thank to deciding authority for this award. Dr. Ellen Keller Award is supposed to be given to our new NGO for doing excellent work for placement, employment, self-employment. So it's really our vision that, or our aims and object, that we are working for employment, training, education, etc. Once again, thanks.
To receive this award, we have Mr. P.T. Jadhav, General Secretary of NFBM. Mr. Jadhav is joined by a team member as well. Many congratulations to National Federation of the Blind Maharashtra. Moving on, the next award goes to Shakti Masala Private Limited. Shakti Masala, through its Shakti Devi Charitable Trust, has created an inclusive work environment and community support for persons with disability. Their commitment extends beyond employment to include education and rehabilitation, making significant impacts in Tamil Nadu. May we have the film for Shakti Masala.
Shakti Masala had a humble beginning 48 years ago. Special trust is given to employ differently abled persons since we felt that it is one of the most responsible humanitarian act any employer need to have. This financial empowerment gives them a lot of confidence and lead a life with dignity. Several companies follow our initiative and started recruiting differently abled persons. In fact, the government of Tamil Nadu itself implemented a 4% reservation for the differently abled from 2006 onwards. This is the kind of impact we created in the society and in the governance. 22 years ago, Shakti Masala received the Helen Keller Award, which was one of the motivating factors for us to continue to serve the differently abled. We are happy to receive this award once again for the year 2024.
From Shakti Masala, we have Dr. P.C. Duraiswamy, who is the MD. We can have louder applauses, I'm sure. These are great achievements. We all Many congratulations, Dr. Duraiswamy. The next recipient, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, ONGC. In the last 68 years, ONGC has set a gold standard for inclusivity with policies that ensure equal opportunities and a supportive workplace for persons with disabilities. Their initiatives include barrier-free infrastructures and comprehensive grievance redressal mechanisms, enhancing workplace inclusivity. ONGC hosts Para Games with the Paralympics Committee of India and hosted 371 participants in the last edition. Can we have the film for ONGC, please?
At ONGC, inclusion is more than a policy, it's a way of life.
Our accessible infrastructure of ramps and tactile pathways reflects our commitment to provide an environment where individual thrives and performs to the best.
State-of-the-art assistive technologies and ergonomic workspaces ensure that no barrier stands in the way of our employees' potential. Through initiatives like the ONGC Para Games, we energize the human spirit. Since 2017, this platform has not only mainstreamed inclusion, but has also paved the way for our para-athletes to represent India on global stages. During recruitment, we provide extensive support for specially abled candidates, including exam fee waivers, travel reimbursements, reduced cut-off marks, and age relaxation of up to 10 years. With policies that include equal opportunities, special casual leave, childcare for differently abled children, and prosthetic support, ONGC fosters an ecosystem where every talent shines.
At ONGC, inclusion is not just a value, it's our strength. Together, we try to build a future where everyone thrives and performs to their best.
ONGC, energizing lives, empowering dreams.
Representing ONGC, we have Mr. Manish Lalwani, CMFNA, with Chief CSR, Mr. Devashish Mukherjee. people with disabilities. Minda Corporation Limited, through its Saksham program, embodies the principles of inclusivity and empowerment for persons with disabilities. Launched in 2015 by the Spark Minda Foundation, the program has touched the lives of over 21,000 individuals by providing artificial limbs, assistive aids, and skill development training. With a structured deployment matrix, Saksham has successfully integrated over 1,000 PWDs into Spark Minda's workforce across various roles, reflecting their commitment to creating not just jobs but careers for persons with disabilities. Can we have the film, please?
Namaskar. I am Sarika Minda. I am the chairperson of Spark Minda Foundation. I am truly honored to share about our work at Spark Minda Foundation and the transformative impact of our empowerment of people with disabilities program called Saksham. Through Saksham, we provide essential support to PWDs from artificial limbs and assistive aids to UDI registration and skill development. Beyond this support, we are creating meaningful employment and entrepreneurship opportunities, both within Spark Minda Group and with our partner companies. Our job mapping matrix has enabled us to employ more than 1,000 PWDs across our factories. We work hard to create an accessible and supportive workplace. Being bestowed upon with the prestigious 25th NCPEDP Helen Keller Award is a tremendous honor for us. At the end, I would like to say and emphasize that it is all about abilities and not disabilities.
Please welcome Sarika Minda, Chairperson, Spark Minda Foundation. Receiving the prestigious NCPDP Helen Keller Award is Ms. Sarika Minda, Chairperson of Spark Minda Foundation. Many congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
The next recipient, Indigo. Indigo has set a high standard for accessibility and inclusion within the aviation industry. Their commitment to diversity, equity, and inclusion is evident in their comprehensive initiatives that accommodate the unique needs of persons with disabilities. By employing PWDs in customer-facing roles and ensuring all their facilities are disability-friendly, Indigo enhances travel experiences and workplace culture alike. Noteworthy efforts include their use of communication access, real-time translation services, and onboarding Indian Sign Language interpreters to aid communication, making Indigo a leader in promoting equal opportunities for all. Can we have the film for Indigo?
Indigo is honored to receive the NCPEDP Helen Keller Awards as a role model company. This recognition underscores Indigo's belief in existence with purpose, connecting people, bridging cultures, and fostering communities through an unwavering commitment to inclusivity. By making diversity, equity, and inclusion the cornerstone of its journey. Indigo strives to empower persons with disabilities and lead the way towards becoming one of the world's most inclusive workplaces.
From Indigo, we have Rakesh Prasad, Head DEI, along with Joydeep Ghosh, Suchita Dubey, and Varun. All right, great. So let's hear it for the Indigo team. Many congratulations to you as well as to everyone in this category. May I request Ms. Sarika Minda to please deliver an acceptance speech on behalf of everyone in the category.
Honorable Rajesh ji, respected dignitaries and namaskar whosoever is present here. सबसे पहले I am so honored that and little overwhelmed क्योंकि अभी भी तुरंत award मिला है. So अगर कोई mistake हो जाए तो please forgive me. But and I'm thankful as well from the entire team जिन्होंने trust किया मेरे को, so that on behalf of them I could thank to the jury. So thank you so much to all. So to begin with, I would like to say that as you all know, I am Sarika Minda, chairperson of Spark Minda Foundation, and I'm deeply honored to stand here today on behalf of all the awardees. As we all have been working towards the empowerment of people with disabilities. This prestigious NCPEDP Helen Keller Award is a profound recognition of our collective efforts to foster inclusivity and empower persons with disabilities. This award represents more than an achievement. It is a celebration of commitment, compassion, and the impact we strive to make every day. Each of us here has taken significant steps towards building a society where equal opportunities, dignity, and accessibility are more than ideals, they are realities. And this recognition fuels our determination to keep advancing this cause, to continue pushing boundaries, and to make a lasting difference. I'm privileged to stand alongside my fellow awardees, each of whom has contributed uniquely to this shared mission. The National Federation of the Blind has tirelessly advocated for the rights and empowerment of the visually impaired, providing invaluable support to countless individuals. Minda Corporation Limited, with its Saksham program, has opened doors for meaningful employment and skills development, along with providing artificial limb to PWDs, setting a remarkable example in corporate responsibility. Oil and Natural Gas Corporation has shown exceptional leadership in fostering inclusivity within its operations, promoting equal opportunities for persons with disabilities. Shakti Masala Private Limited has made a lasting impact by creating sustainable employment pathways for PWDs, strengthening the social fabric of its communities. And Indigo focuses on creating inclusive employment opportunities and raising awareness on the importance of accessibility. Together, we represent a diverse and powerful movement towards an inclusive society, and I believe that this award will inspire others also to join us in this journey. On behalf of all the awardees, I extend our deepest gratitude to NCPEDP for this honor, for recognizing the work we do and for encouraging organizations across all sectors to advance equal opportunities. Once again, I would like to thank NCPEDP, our PWDs, our partners, our stakeholders, and all of you being part of this journey with us as we work towards a more inclusive future. At the end, I would like to say and emphasize that it is all about abilities and not disabilities. Thank you so much.
That was Ms. Sarika Minda with the acceptance speech. Thank you very much, ma'am. The next category, role model entrepreneurs with disabilities. Entrepreneurs with disabilities who have managed to set up businesses and sustain them over a period. The efforts of these individuals have positively impacted not only their lives, but also the lives of others involved. This category was added in 2021, and 3 awards are being given under this category today. The first, Javed Ahmed Sheikh, founder of Revar Shawls in Srinagar. Javed Ahmed Sheikh integrates empowerment for persons with disabilities into his business, providing employment and training that enhances the dignity and livelihoods of his employees. Can we have the film for Javed Ahmed Sheikh?
मैं जम्मू कश्मीर श्रीनगर का रहने वाला हूँ। मैं अपना बिजनेस रेवर शॉल के नाम से चला रहा हूँ। मेरे साथ इस काम में 40 से ज़्यादा लोग हैं, जिसमें से लगभग 24 से ज़्यादा डिसेबल पर्सन लोग। इसके अलावा मैंने बहुत सारी औरतों, किन्नर और मर्द लोगों को ये सोचनी क्राफ्ट सिखाया है। इसमें से लगभग 20 से ज़्यादा लोगों ने अपना काम शुरू कर चुके। अब इस आर्ट को मैं इंटरनेशनल कस्टमर तक पहुंचाना चाहता हूं और अपने हुनर को मैं ऑनलाइन में भी अब शो करना चाहता हूं। मैं नीडर फाउंडेशन का, नीडर नेटवर्क का एक मेंबर भी हूं। मैं बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूं कि मुझे आज इस अवार्ड से नवाजा जा रहा है और इस मुकाम तक पहुंचने में मेरे साथ मेरी कारीगरों और नीडर फाउंडेशन के सपोर्ट की बदौलत ये हुआ है। आप सभी का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
I request Mr. Narayanan also to please join us. Mr. Narayanan. Okay, so let's welcome Mr. Javed Ahmed Sheikh for his award. Let's hear it for Javed Ahmed Sheikh. आइए प्लीज आइए। Founder of Mere Bacche Enterprises, Gayatri Sharma combines environmental consciousness with inclusivity, creating job opportunities for persons with disabilities and promoting community empowerment through sustainable practices. Let's have the film for Gayatri Sharma.
मैं गायत्री शर्मा दिल्ली से बिलोंग करती हूँ। स्क्रॉल पैकेजिंग का बिजनेस मेरे बच्चे इंटरप्राइजेस के नाम से है। अकाउंटेंट हूँ, साथ ही कॉमन सर्विस सेंटर का बिजनेस भी करती हूँ और मैं निडर फाउंडेशन के बिजनेस नेटवर्क की सदस्य और ब्रांड एम्बेसडर हूँ। मेरे साथ कई दिव्यांगजन और महिलाएं काम करते हैं जो मेरे बिजनेस में मदद करते हैं। भविष्य में मेरी ऐसी कोशिश है कि जो दिव्यांगजन और महिलाएं घरों से बाहर नहीं निकल पा रहे हैं उनको रोजगार दे, आर्थिक स्वतंत्रता देना चाहती हूँ। अब आज मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि मुझे NCP-EDP हेलन केयर अवार्ड मिल रहा है। मेरे साथ काम करने वाले सदस्य और मेरे परिवार और समय समय पर मुझे गाइडेंस देने वाले मेरे शुभचिंतकों के योगदान से मुझे यह अवार्ड किया जा रहा है। इन सभी का मैं दिल की गहराइयों से धन्यवाद करती हूँ। सो मच।
Welcome, Ms. Gayatri Sharma.
गुड मॉर्निंग, अब तो गुड आफ्टरनून हो गया है। मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है, अवार्ड मुझे दिया जा रहा है, लेकिन मैं यहाँ तक पहुँची हूँ उसके लिए मैं 2 पर्सन के नाम लेना चाहती हूँ। एक मेरी फ्रेंड है नसीमा और दूसरी तिलकम मैम, जिन्होंने मुझे यहाँ तक पहुँचाया है।
Rishabh Vitola, founder of Infotype. Rishabh Vitola is dedicated to creating accessible digital solutions. His work ensures that persons with disabilities are integral to developing technology that serves everyone, enhancing accessibility across the digital landscape. Let's have the film for Rishabh Vitola.
Rishabh Vitola, founder of Infotype. We are a software development company that builds websites and mobile applications to make technology accessible for everyone. At Infotype, we focus on creating websites and mobile apps that are easy for everyone to use, including people with special needs. Our goal is to make digital tools that track down our barriers. Our work helps people access important services online and use technology. Seeing how our website and apps make a difference in people's lives is very important. But you know what? It has not always been easy. We have faced challenges like social attitudes and limited resources. These challenges have only made us more determined to keep going and move forward. Winning the 25th Helen Care Award is a huge honor. It encourages us to keep working toward making technology accessible for everyone. Thank you.
Rishabh Vitola, founder of Infotype.
Thank you everybody. It's a great honor to be here today and accept this award on behalf of all of us for this category role model entrepreneurs with disability. I want to express my deepest gratitude to NCP-DP Health Care Awards Committee to recognizing our work and for this incredible opportunity to to share our stories and achievements with you. This award is more than a personal achievement. It signifies a powerful acknowledgement of resilience, hard work, and passion of entrepreneurs who are making an impact in their respective fields. Each of us here has faced unique challenges, yet we have found ways to rise above them and create meaningful change, not only for ourselves but for those who will follow in our footsteps. I am deeply humbled to stand alongside with Javed Ahmed Sheikh and Gayatri Sharma, two remarkable individuals who have used their talents and determination to break barriers. From building accessible technologies to advancing inclusive policies, we are united by shared purpose to create a world where opportunities are available to everyone, regardless of their abilities. This award also represents hope and motivation for the future. It sends a message to all aspiring entrepreneurs that their dreams are within reach. It's proof that with the right support and unwavering persistence, we can each make a difference and pave the way for a more inclusive and equitable society. Thank you once again for the recognition. Together, let us continue this journey, inspire others, and work toward a world that values and celebrates the continuous for everyone. Thank you. Started in Hindi, so I would like to end this speech with my own written Hindi poetry. खुद से लड़ना सीख लिया मैंने, हंसना भी सीख लिया, अब खुद से बातें करता हूँ, हंस लेता हूँ, खुश रहता हूँ। जब कभी दुखी हो जाता हूँ तो खुद को ये समझाता हूँ, ये दुनिया बड़ी मजे की है और छोटी सी जिंदगानी। अब खुद को खुदा समझ लो तुम, किस्मत का रोना बंद करो, जब जहां मिले तुमको खुशियां जी लो अपनी दुनिया को। तुम तुमसे अलग नहीं हो, अब खुश रहते हो, हंस लेते हो, तुम हो का अड़ब जीने का, खुश रहने का, फिर जीने का। अब सदा रहूंगा ऐसे ही जब तक है मेरी दुनिया, है पता मुझे मेरी दुनिया, अब पता मुझे मेरी दुनिया। शुक्रिया।
बहुत खूब, ऋषभ जी। How would the peculiar issues faced by the disability sector ever have been spread or talked about without the media? So this year, as we mark our 25th anniversary, we are excited to introduce a new award category, the Role Model Media Award for Disability Inclusive Journalism. This category recognizes the media professional who has reported on and advocated for equal employment opportunities for persons with disabilities. And the recipient, ladies and gentlemen, is Uzmi Athar. Uzmi Athar, a journalist who does more than just report. She actively advocates and inspires. Uzmi has brought to light the everyday challenges and systemic issues faced by people with disabilities. Her articles not only inform but also drive us to take action and think about how we can all help make our community more welcoming. Uzmi's dedication to her work showcases the critical role that media and journalists play in shaping public discussions around disability rights. Her efforts remind us that journalism is a powerful tool in driving societal change, making her the ideal recipient for this inaugural award. Can we have Uzmi's film, please?
Well, I'm Uzmi Athar, a journalist dedicated to disability inclusive reporting. It's a true honor to receive the Helen Keller Award in the Role Model Media category. This recognition is incredibly meaningful to me as it validates the role of journalism in driving change for persons with disabilities. Over the years, I have worked to amplify voices from some of India's most marginalized communities, reporting on issues like the barriers faced by them in finding accessible workplaces and impact of health and environmental challenges on their lives. Through stories on topics ranging from inaccessible urban spaces to health crisis in Bihar and Jharkhand, my goal has been to spark conversation that lead to policy improvement and inclusive practices. This award is a powerful reminder of the impact media can have in advancing employment opportunities for persons with disabilities. I am grateful to NCP for this acknowledgement, for promoting the vision of a truly inclusive India. Thank you.
Let's hear it for Ms. Usmi Athar. Receiving the prestigious Role Model Media Award for Disability Inclusive Journalism is Ms. Usmi Athar.
Thank you so much. I'm really overwhelmed and I had prepared a speech, but I can't just remember anything from it now. I am really honored to be in this August gathering. I mean, I have heard so much and I'm feeling very, it's really moving to receive this award and be in presence of all of you. So I'll stick to something which I know and I feel. I think this award is especially important because it is one of the rare ones which is given in the disability sector. There is a very big space, or you can say that the space for media covering disability has been shrinking, especially in mainstream media. And this award is a reminder, is an inspiration that we need to continue what we are doing. So thank you so much NCPEDP for this honor, and I hope this starts a trend that every year someone from media gets the award, and it inspires more people to write on the issues of disability. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Usmi. I think that's the idea. Thank you very much, Mr. Narayanan, for being here with us. I'd now like to invite on stage Ms. Stuti Kakkar, former Secretary DEPWD, to join us to give away the last award. Please welcome Ms. Stuti Kakkar, ma'am, IAS, former Secretary, Department for Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities. Thank you very much, ma'am. And now, the NCPEDP Helen Keller Lifetime Achievement Award. This 25th year, we inaugurate the NCPEDP Helen Keller Lifetime Achievement Award. This award is introduced to honor those whose lifelong work has significantly impacted society and promoted employment opportunities for persons with disabilities. It recognizes those individuals whose endeavors have led to change, advocating for the rights and integration of disabled persons into the workforce. We are honored to present this prestigious award to Ms. Tilakam Rajendran. With over 3 decades of advocacy and innovation, Tilakam has played a key role in creating sustainable employment and entrepreneurship opportunities for persons with disabilities. Today, we celebrate Tilakam Rajendran's lifetime of achievements and her contributions to the disability sector with the inaugural NCPEDP Helen Keller Lifetime Achievement Award. We'll have a short film about you first, ma'am.
Namaste. It's a rare opportunity which comes once in a lifetime in 30 years to pause, to reflect on the work and the impact which we have created along with my team. And I would like to thank NCPEDP for this recognition and honor NCPEDP Helen Keller Lifetime Achievement Award. And especially this journey has started with my professional career as a special educator in ADI, where I chose to work with adults with disability, and we were looking at opportunities in the mainstream for skilling and employment and self-employment opportunities. A few things which I remember is the first Jivika Sammelan, which we created in 2006 with FECDF, NDC, ATDC, ADI, and all of them came together. So convergence and partnerships to create social inclusion was the mantra. And today, when I can say that it's a second inning for Rajendran and me, where we have started at Para Needham Foundation. Needham is the first business network of entrepreneurs with disability in India with over 250 members. And Needham Foundation is the first virtual incubator which was unreached, and it is to support entrepreneurs to start, sustain and scale enterprises. I think this is a small journey which has begun, and I'm really thankful for this honor and recognition to make us strong. And with Needham, we are truly becoming fearless in the second innings of our life. And thank you so much. I can only say that sapna dekhte rehna chahiye, sapna pura
We can have a louder applause. It's a lifetime achievement award to Tilakam Rajendran. Many congratulations, ma'am. Can we have you here say a few words, please, by way of acceptance?
बुढ़ापे में सेकेंड इनिंग्स शुरू हो रहा है. क्या बोलूं? It's a long journey, and I would say thank you जावेद भाई. आज 25वां सालगिरह है हेलन केलर अवार्ड्स का, एंड हमें आज भी याद है इंडिया गेट और धरने.